Each human being deserves a place to call their own. Yet so many have to journey far from home. Little children in the darkness all alone, seeking freedom. It's about time we break those borders down. There's too much segregation. We're all a part of one nation, yeah. We need to break those borders down.
Yeah, man. But anyway, a long time I don't kick so hard.
Yeah,
Worse than the right foot. Hey, folks, good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. End of the week. Not yet the end of the month, but we're getting there.
Oh,
it is.
wow, it's payday.
Eh?
Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys.
So where are we here? Why we don't just go collect with pay? I'll go back home. So it's May 25. It is Friday, thank God. And we have an amazing show as always. We welcome everyone on onespotmedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJam TVJ, and also on television, Jamaica.com. It's also African Liberation Day.
Is it?
Wakanda. Yeah.
Forever.
Kind of look quiet, Wakanda. You kind of
supposed to do it gracefully. You
and
don't have
I
to
didn't.
always,
But I never did that. I just went like that.
You said Wakanda.
Yeah.
We're a team, so I gave you the rest of it, which is forever.
Okay.
It's not Wakanda tomorrow or Wakanda last week.
Or Wakanda yesterday.
Right. You gotta get it right.
You saw the movie?
I still have not seen Black Panther. Is that a crime? I'm sure in some parts of the world that has to be like something
I watched
you can be
it.
arrested. Did you watch it?
Yeah.
You went and watched it?
No.
Okay.
It came to me and I watched
I'm
it.
not gonna ask you any more questions. How'd it go? Did you
I thought it was a nerd, to be honest.
really?
Yeah. Well, you know me. I kind of don't like the James Bond kind of when
You know, I
when
don't
you
think-
get 40,000 bullets, you just get up and walk away. See, so kind of.
So you think Black Panther was like James Bond themed?
It wasn't James Bond theme, but he did some stuff that.
How usually when James Bond get bullet, him will die. Okay, he won't die. Starboy can't dead from Western days, but he would at least have an injury and like bleed
No man, this
and
man
stuff.
did have plenty injured. Plenty.
I need to watch it. No, you make me have to.
Him get no flicks. But I mean, it's if you like that kind of movie, it's nice. But
It's not the movie necessarily. It's the metaphor of
a black.
yes,
Superhero.
kingdom where everybody is, empowered and powerful and respected, and they're rulers and they're in
So,
charge
like,
of
you
their
watch the
own
movie?
destiny. And I've read enough about it and seen enough this to know, but I haven't seen the movie. Yeah,
Morning,
but I'm going
yeah.
to watch it now.
You didn't tell me morning, so I just tell you morning.
Seriously?
Yeah. So we can't tell you morning. I can't tell you morning.
Yeah, but you wait until morning.
Why not? I'm a friend, so I realized that I didn't tell you.
While you guys talk, I'll just sip on some
Okay.
good old coffee.
Say good though.
I'm okay. Thanks for asking. Been a
All
rough
right.
week. I'm glad to see you Friday.
Huh?
Even though I work tomorrow.
You work tomorrow?
And Sunday, actually. Now that I think
Why?
about it. Oh my God.
Why?
So that going on. Track tomorrow.
Track as in K-Manus?
Yeah. Track tomorrow and then
Okay.
another setup on Sunday.
Okay.
But you know what, guys? It's good to be alive and able to work
Yeah, man.
and to be 6 feet under.
Yeah, man.
No work then. So I'm grateful
Yeah, man.
to be here.
What's on the show?
On today's show,
We'll discuss the
Did he say it
significance
already?
of Africa
I
Day
don't know.
2018.
You did tell the people on social media morning?
Yep,
Where was I when that happened?
I did.
Okay.
I never say hi to the people on One Spot Media.
Did
I
he,
did.
Marv?
You heard?
Richard, I never say. Of course I did. And then if me do that, no senior moment, you're 97 years old and you this and you that.
You're not 97. You're 98. I don't remember that. I have to see the proof.
All right, we welcome our friends on onespotmedia.com Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and all the other platforms. Facebook, on
Mars, Venus.
on televisionjamaica.com.
So nice you did it twice.
Yeah.
All right, artist Crystal Ball will stop by with a few Afro-futuristic pieces.
And still in Child Month, African-inspired fashion on the Smile Runway, but this time modeled by kids.
Oh, that's going to be lovely. Plus, this thing is getting so much traction. The raw food expert from Leaf of Life Cuisine is going to be looking or cooking up a vegan storm in our kitchen this morning. Have you gone raw food yet? Or just, you still pescatarian?
You know, my sister, I think she's about 80-90% raw food.
Man, I know so many people who are just having raw food.
Yeah. And the way they do
And
it,
they
you
say
don't, even
it
know,
tastes good.
you don't even know that it is raw. I have the pizza from Boy Me Hungry.
Okay. Is that really pizza?
It's pizza.
Calm pizza. It doesn't have any cheese.
Yeah, it's pizza.
It's not hot, is it? Cold.
Yeah, but it's pizza. I like it. I can do it for vegetables.
It's like it's a version of. But pizza goes in the oven.
No, it's just like
cheese bubbles
long
up.
sleeve shirt, short sleeve shirt, no sleeve shirt,
run
vest.
over. And then you put pepperoni
That's it.
topping
So
on
like
it.
you want
And
no.
when you get it, there's steam rising.
Also, folks, we're going to have a
Into the cheese.
one-on-one with international actress Dr. I hope it's Jane Robertson, and entertainment from. Wait, hold on. It's Robertson. And entertainment from Jamaica Ensemble. How you pronounce that word?
No,
Ensemble?
a pizza, I think about it. I don't know. Ensemble.
Ensemble.
That's French.
So you pronounce it ensemble.
Yeah, so you
you
collapse
don't
the
say
syllable.
ensemble.
No.
Ensemble.
All, because the N in the first pattern.
So ensemble.
Ensemble.
All right. So that coming up. But first,
Ensemble.
hot topics.
No.
Ensemble.
It's hot topics.
That is French too.
All right, go on, yeah. Look at this.
Yeah, well, let's do this at the top. I think this should be the first one, that Mia Motley elected the first female prime minister of Barbados.
Imagine that.
First, and I think number 5 in the Caribbean. I think she's
Well done.
Eugenia Charles,
Portia Simpson
Portia
Miller.
Simpson Miller.
Who else were the others? Other 3.
I think she's number 5, but congrats. Barbados Labour Party, and she's 52 years old.
Relatively young, eh?
Yep. She announced that all schools will be closed today,
What?
and that with the exception of supermarkets and banks, she has advised businesses to close at 1 o'clock. Why though?
Yeah, in honor of her win?
I don't know, but she's not really the prime minister yet. Motley said a cabinet will be appointed by Monday. So, congrats. And that gentleman, Mr. Stewart, I think his name was, he was the incumbent, so he was looking for a 3rd term. I never got it.
Are you sure it's 5?
Yeah.
Kamla Bissett, so Prasad Bissessar was where?
I read it somewhere. I went to tell
PM
you.
of Republic of Trinidad and Tobago at one point.
Dame Eugenia Charles of Dominica.
Yes,
Janet
one.
Jagan of Guyana.
Oh,
Portia
yes,
Simpson Miller of
Jagan.
Jamaica, and Kamla Prasad Bissessar of
okay.
Trinidad and Tobago. So she's number 5. I know these things.
So why we can't go Barbados today just for a quick run and come back?
Let me sit.
No school, no work, no what?
I had a friend once, and she kind of called me and said she's headed to the Bahamas for lunch. So I said, what? And she said she's going to Bahamas for lunch. But you know what happened? Sandals flew everyone down to a new property, and they just went for lunch, come up by the plane, eat, walk up and down
You know,
on the
I want to
property,
ask a
go
question.
back on the plane and come back.
Did you get a call? Why we don't ever get those calls?
We want a plane. Wow. Next
I
thing
don't
buy
need my
that.
own plane.
Yeah.
I would like to ride on your plane though.
Yeah.
I mean, I have no qualms about going to Barbados, Bahamas for lunch,
Yep.
and coming back. Next time.
All right.
Stuart.
Now this one now. The plot thickens.
I don't know what is happening here.
Kim Jong-un, this is after Sir Donald said, not meeting him again, but Kim Jong-un says, I will still meet you, Sir Donald, at any time.
I don't know if Kim said that. Did Kim say that?
Yep. He said he's still willing to meet Donald Trump at any time, despite the U.S. president's abrupt cancellation. That would have been a historic summit between the two leaders. That was scheduled for June 12. Where was it to be? In Indonesia? Or no, Singapore.
So what happened?
Well, apparently they came out and cursed the vice president and said he's a political dummy. They said that. So after that, the president said, well...
You say he slept on it and he woke up yesterday morning.
Yeah, and then him say this very aggressive talk that you come with, I think it's the right time for me to just call it off. And somebody asked him if he would still be willing. And him say, yeah, he's still willing, but right now I'm just not into it.
What if this is all an elaborate ploy that they built out to like make Trump look good? So Kim or Jong-un, because Kim is a family name, he decides that he's gonna, you know, say, okay, I'm now about to come, and then Trump will say, oh, and then Trump eventually saves the day, and then Trump.
I think he thought Kim was going to say I'm not coming again. Because I remember Kim did get vexed and said this whole party thing, and him say he wasn't meeting with the South Korean man again.
Oh, God.
So
Here we are hazarding guesses about...
I think him did say, well, you know...
What is indeed...
He must have said no, so the great Sir Donald said, I can say no before.
Craziest time in the history of...
Yeah.
Anyway.
And then, it is said, Kim Jong-un, that he blew up his nuclear sites. He invited some journalists to watch. Interestingly, he never invited any of the nuclear people them. But would I know for sure if it's that him do? And some people are saying, well, he said this before, and him say him do it before, but he never do it.
Did he say he was blowing them up, or did he say he was dismantling a
few? He wouldn't blow them up. You saw it. I mean, him blow up something.
What did you see?
That's what I'm saying. Him blow up. See there?
Right, but where did he blow up?
That's what I'm saying. Some people are not certain that...
Do you know that this is state media in North Korea?
No, that's my point.
And they are the ones sending the images?
No, he invited some other, like a CNN man was there. He invited some other journalists, but he never invited nuclear people who can say, well, in fact, they blow them up. So, him say, Sir Kim, probably have another thing up his sleeve. All right, what's the last one?
So, in case you're wondering what the hurricane season is going to be like this year, which, by the way, we're almost in, these are forecasters in the U.S. They're saying that they are expecting an active Atlantic hurricane season. The season begins officially, folks, on the 1st of June, as we all know, runs until the end of November. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration forecast calls for 10 to 16 named storms, with 5 to 9 of those being hurricanes. 1 to 4 hurricanes could be major, with sustained winds of at least 111 miles per hour or 178 kilometers per hour. If that forecast does in fact hold, it's going to be one of the above normal, near normal or above normal hurricane seasons.
Have you ever had a hurricane, Simone?
No. Why would we? No, that hurricane would be so sweet. It would just come to your door and go. And then wave and leave. No, you can't name
that would be the never one. That's the one.
No, the never one would kick off your door. Never one is a baller.
Nothing like that.
Come and kick off your door. So
all right.
Be ready, because we're at the 25th of May.
Yep, so 6 days time.
Yeah, so get ready, ladies and gents. And I feel bad for the countries that have not yet recovered from some of the stuff that passed last year.
Incredible.
So
incredible footage if you look at it. All right, I have plenty of birthdays.
Go on then.
First, I want to hail up Constable Ulrich Brown, or Alric Brown, not certain how it's pronounced. Constable Alric Brown from the Mandeville Police Station. Good morning, sir. I hear you did very, very well, and I congratulate you. I hope you have a brilliant day. You'll be safe on the road. Happy birthday to Mrs. Bobette Boyden. Mrs. Boyden, happy birthday from your daughters and co-workers. Happy birthday to Andre Walker. Andre is up at Norma's. He's Peter's son. So Andre, happy birthday. It's coming from your mom to Peter. Of course, coming from me too. Happy birthday to Sandra Fuller from NCB. Happy birthday to Melissa. It comes from Chrissy Christopher. Here's Melissa. That's what it says, from Chrissy Christopher and family. So I hope you have an absolutely brilliant day today, Melissa. There you go. And I have another picture to show you now. This is a belated birthday, and her name is Kelia. Kelia, they don't tell me her last name. They just say happy birthday to Kelia. It was yesterday. I got it yesterday, actually. But I got it late. It's from your Auntie Latoy. So I hope you have a great day today. I have another one over here, so don't move just yet. This one says, happy 5th birthday to one of God's most treasured gifts, Princess Sanai. We wish you all of God's desires for your life. Love always from your family and friends.
Sanai is a beautiful name.
And she is beautiful. There she is. Happy birthday. 5 years old today. Can you believe? Not my birthday. There she is. Sanai, you win.
Adorbs.
Isn't she nice though? I think I cover up everybody now, do you know?
You cover
No,
up
no, no. I
everybody?
can't forget the great and beautiful Chantel Hall. She celebrates her birthday today. It says greetings coming from your dad, Lawrenceston, who they call Soft Man, your mother, Angela, your brother, Dwight, other relatives and friends. That's Softman.
No, that's not
Softman's daughter.
Softman, you need to have a small
There you go.
speech
Softman, I nearly
with her
forget
mother.
her, but I couldn't forget her.
That's
Happy
Look
birthday.
here, that is what you call them.
Yeah. Happy birthday. And your daddy say him love you, and him say I mustn't tell you, but I will tell you anyway. Because he won't sort you out nice and thing, he won't buy your car and all kinds of stuff. So him say him don't want you to know. All you have to do is,
I heard him with my own 2 ears.
yeah, all you need to do is just tell him which color car you want, and him say
Said
him
too that he's gonna set you up with a house after he buys
yes,
the car.
man. So him say him
So
love you
you're
like
set.
crazy.
Don't
love
worry
you
about
like
a thing.
crazy, and so have a great day.
Every little thing is gonna be sold out.
Happy birthday, everyone.
It's
have
true.
a great day. There is that. I know if him birthday, who not show him for? Happy birthday.
So bad you didn't know. I'm so come back.